Hi, good morning, traders and investors. Welcome back to our morning trading recommendations channel. Before we dive in, remember that everything we discuss here is purely for education and purpose. Make sure to do your own research, consult financial expert before making any investment decision. Let's starting off with the updates in commodity markets. The overnight soybean oil December dropped 1.03 to close lower at 40.98. The Dalian active farmer contracts dropped 50 points to close lower at 7936 on the previous night's sessions. Malaysia's crude palm oil futures ended lower on Tuesday due to the mixed market sentiment. A palm oil trader noted that sluggish demand for the commodity countered the positive outlook created by slower production rates. The FCPO November months dropped 2 points to close lower at 3936. It seems like the changes is flat, but yesterday the market is um, and during the opening on second sessions, it surged up to 3990 and then coming down to form it seems like a dodgy signs on yesterday, meaning that there is likely the changes of the directions or either the markets will going into the consolidations. The pound price in the bigger time frames, we can see the price is traded slower. Yes, trades slower the latest and currently hovering at the bottoms of the upward consolidation channels. The upsides are resisted after touches. Yesterday, the high is 3990 over here, and the markets continue with a strong sell, most probably due to the sentiment in the river oil markets. In the hourly charts, the price is actually uh, there's a little bit of out of the upward channels already break down from the upward channels. This indicating the price is likely to could trade further lowers if the price break the immediate support at 3905 to 3900 here and potentially to come down to another support range at 3880 3885. If the price could support here, then we might see the consolidations for the coming short term. Well, the resistance is seen at 3935 to 3930, which previously we seen as a middle of the upward consolidations. If the price could come back here, then that's probably the price that we're going up against. Right, so for the morning sessions, our recommendation on CPO markets will be short positions, maybe open below 3920 with the target at 3903 to 3885 and the stop loss at 3940. Alternatively, long positions may be open above 3920 with the target at 3933 and next is 3949 and the stop loss at 3900. So next we are turning our focus to the index markets. The overnight Dow Jones markets experienced a down of 625 points to 40936. The MSCI's global equities got dropped sharply on a Tuesday, with the Wall Street stock experiencing their steepest decline since early August. This occurred as US Treasury yields fell following manufacturing data that raised the concern about the economy. However, the market players, the investors, they are still waiting for the significant data, which is the job reports on the Fridays of this week. Okay, and the FEMPLCI on yesterday ended lowers, surrendering early gains as the Maybank, Celcom DG, and Petronas Chemicals exert downward pressure on the index. The FKLI futures contract September month dropped 3 points to close lower at 1660. Okay. Now come back to the charts. The index in the morning sessions is open the lower with a gap downs, tracking the sharp drop in overnight US markets and breaking below the previous support, which is 1659 to 58. This is quite a strong support previously and is breakdown already. In the bigger time frame, in the daily time frame, the patterns of uptrends remain intact, but the latest price is likely to going into the consolidation phase. In the hourly time frames, the downside bias is more favorable at the moment. Hence, we will recommend sell and rebound for the short terms. New support range is spotted at 1649 to 4x, which is here. So we will see either it will remain consolidate, and this phase, if breakdown here, then will further lowers, and we likely to see the previous strong supports will come again around 1638 here, but we continue to monitor. Okay, so for here is our recommendation and view for the morning sessions. As we wrap up the session analysis, keep in mind that the market is ever changing. Successful trading requires both seizing opportunity and managing risk. Stay adaptable to market change, protect your capital, and trade wisely. Keep in mind that everyone's perspective is subjective and the view presented here are for reference. Wishing you all safe and successful trading. See you in the next update and happy trading.